In today's rapidly evolving world, technological advancements have revolutionized numerous industries, providing innovative solutions to various challenges. From construction to agriculture and beyond, cutting-edge tools have emerged to enhance efficiency, safety, and productivity. This comprehensive review will explore some of these groundbreaking tools, ranging from unique sanders to smart roofing ladders, which have reshaped the way professionals and amateurs work in their respective fields. At first glance, it may not resemble a toothbrush, but the Cordless Tube Belt Sander is a game changer for hard-to-reach places. Designed for satin finishing and roughing metal surfaces, this tool boasts continuous adjustable belt speed, ranging from 200 to 700 meters per minute. With an incline angle of up to 60 degrees, it can work seamlessly with a vacuum cleaner, offering convenience and cleanliness. The device, weighing only 900 grams and equipped with a 2.6 amp-hour battery, can be easily recharged in approximately an hour, making it a reliable option for professionals. Priced at $275, this sander demonstrates that innovation knows no bounds. In the tile industry, physically demanding tasks are commonplace, especially when handling large and heavy porcelain stoneware tiles. The Raimondi Easy Move X-Light comes to the rescue with its 8 suction cup carriers capable of holding up to 200 kilograms. With a specially designed rubber surface, it ensures fast and smooth work while leaving no marks. Its flexibility allows for easy pressure adjustments, and when needed, additional double handles can be installed for the support of 4 people. While the price may seem steep at $2,000, its practicality and convenience make it an invaluable asset for tile workers. The agriculture industry witnesses constant developments to address the demands of modern farming. The Strainrite ProCrimp, known as the fence builder's best friend, is an electrically driven tool with universal jaws, serving not only as a crimping tool, but also as a handy pruning instrument. Compatible with crimp barrels ranging from 2.5 to 5 millimeters, this lightweight tool allows single-handed operation, providing farmers with a versatile and efficient solution. The Hammer Fist is not your typical hammer. It boasts an array of versatile features, including square, ruler, nail puller, bottle opener, hex drive, and of course, a hammer. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this 400-gram hammer incorporates 3 striking plates and rubber inserts in the handle, ensuring maximum utility and convenience. Its unique shape allows it to fit inside a glove compartment, making it a handy tool for various tasks. Moreover, its modest price of $20 makes it accessible to everyone. The SMT622 is a true multi-tool designed to simplify woodworking, metalwork, tile, PVC, and other material-related tasks. With its brushless motor reaching up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, this versatile tool enables easy PVC pipe cutting, door installation, and tile removal. The recommended 4 amp-hour battery operates efficiently in temperatures ranging from 60 to -17 degrees Celsius, providing users with a powerful and flexible tool for various applications. While its price may seem steep at $864, its exceptional performance and adaptability justify the investment. Electricians face complex tasks, particularly when dealing with cables, conduits, junction boxes, and pipes of various sizes. The Easy 50 pull line blower is a groundbreaking tool that simplifies these tasks significantly. Compatible with cables from 18 to 50 millimeters in inner diameter, this tool allows smooth and efficient work, pre-routing ducts with air to check for bends, damages, or deformations. The accessory storage suitcase provides portability and convenience, making it an invaluable asset for electricians, priced at $1,700. In the world of plumbing, precision is paramount, and the rigid pipe reamers offer just that. Ideal for deburring and reaming before welding or threading, these hand or power-driven tools come in various sizes to accommodate pipes ranging from 6 to 100 millimeters. Made of durable alloy steel, these lightweight reamers boast a ratchet mechanism, ensuring ease of use and superior performance. With a price tag of over $300, these tools are a worthwhile investment for professionals seeking unparalleled accuracy. The Sopec Pure Spray is the fastest marking system on the market, capable of covering 500 meters in just 50 minutes, 40% faster than similar products. Priced at $250, this innovative system offers adjustable spray width, allowing users to mark efficiently with paint that can withstand vehicle traffic after just an hour of drying. A single 750 milliliter can of paint can cover 90 meters, and the tape mode is ideal for repairs or warehouse route marking. In regions where the price of firewood has soared, the Flint Span Messer presents an effective solution for efficient wood splitting. Made of cast iron and backed by a 2-year warranty, this manual wood splitter ensures longevity and robustness. With a maximum log length of 33 centimeters, it weighs only 4.4 kilograms, making it an easily manageable tool for homeowners seeking cost-effective heating options. Priced at $120, the Flint Span Messer proves that simplicity and durability go hand in hand. Climbing on rooftops for maintenance can be perilous, especially on steep slopes. The Goat Steep Assist Roof Ladder, inspired by mountain goats, provides a safe and convenient solution. This ladder allows users to move effortlessly across roofs with slopes of up to 45 degrees. Designed with a maximum load capacity of 159 kilograms, this lightweight ladder is portable and easy to store, making it a must-have tool for roof workers and homeowners alike. Priced at $670 for the 7.2-meter deluxe set, the safety benefits outweigh the investment. For professionals working with sheet metal, the Malco-registered trademark Gold Standard is hailed as the longest-lasting, fastest-cutting, and easiest-adjusting solution for cutting holes. Available in 2 versions, HC1 and HC2, accommodating various diameters, this hole cutter is compatible with a drill for optimal performance. At $100, this tool proves to be a valuable asset for sheet metal workers seeking precision and efficiency. The Geismar Narval brings speed and compactness to the drilling of holes in railroad rails. Designed to drill holes of 24 millimeters in diameter in just 12 to 60 seconds, this lightweight system is ideal for fast-paced railway maintenance and repair work. With low vibration, dual speeds, and LED lighting, the Geismar Narval enhances precision and productivity even